I got my YouTube channel back after the hack. It took me 1 week to get back my YouTube channel. Guys, so this is, first off, I want to say thank you to everybody who actually supported me. Those of you who actually went to my new channel to subscribe. I really, really do appreciate. I know that a lot of people here who do not even know that my channel was hacked because the channel was still online and going on. So I want to say a big, big thank you to all of you. Now I can boldly tell you all with my full chest that there is nobody who is above hacking, because I know what I went through. Okay, for 1 week I was feeling like I don't know, I was feeling like I felt like my heart is failing me, you understand? But at this point I just want to say, if you're dealing with brand deals, okay, if you're working with brands, you're working with companies, you need to be very, very careful. Even if you're using 120 device, each email has its own device. I just want you to be careful because there is nobody above hacking. A lot of people were actually saying, oh, Woko, there's something you did. Oh, Woko, you clicked the link. Oh, Woko, yes, I clicked a link. But this link was sent to me by a company that already paid me 50%. We talked. I was supposed to advertise their tool, their AI tool. We talked. They sent me their 50% of payment. And then they sent me a link to say they wanted to correct the script that they gave me. And once I clicked on that link, which was a Google Doc link, my account disappeared. They hacked my phone. They hacked my whole phone, and every email that was on that phone was actually touched. Okay, so that's how they got to my YouTube and all that and all that and all that. Long story short, I don't want to discourage anybody who is working with brands. Will I still work with brands? Yes, I will. And I know you all feel like I'm going crazy, but yes, I will still work with brands because there is fast money when it comes to that. Fast, quick money, you know. Yes, I'll work with brands, but I'll be very, very careful. I'll be extremely careful. I'll not trust. I'll not let my guards down, even if these brands have already paid me. I know a lot of things that I will be doing now. And again, I have taken a lot of measures, a lot of safety measures for my channel, for my Gmails and all that, which I will bring up here time and again with some of you to educate you all if your channel gets hacked, how to go about it and all that. But for now, for those of you who are actually here watching me, if your channel is hacked right now, if you have a hacked channel, please try to contact me. My WhatsApp is still on my description box or on my bio. Contact me. I'll help you try to get it. Okay? I'll help you use my account to report to YouTube. That's what, if your account is monetized, you can help people report a hacked account. You can go to your YouTube studio, you go and chat with YouTube fast, give their connecting email, and YouTube will get to those people very fast. That's a fast way to get your account. I want to say a very, very big thank you. I don't even know how many people I want to start thanking. I don't want to call names. I just want to say thank you to everybody. And I'll come here step by step to talk to you guys on how to actually secure your account, your YouTube account, and how you can actually work with brands safely. You all know when something happens to me, I always go underground and do my research, think, study, learn to grab a whole lot of things. So I grabbed a whole lot of things and I'll be giving these things out for free, okay? I'll be giving these tips out for free on how you guys can actually secure your account. Now, a lot of people, they hacked their account. They took 6 months. Some people took 3 months. Some people took this. And some people took it that same day. Some people got it 2 days after. I got mine after a week. Struggle, heartache, and all that. And please don't come here and tell me, oh, you did not do this. Even people with 6 million subscribers on YouTube have been hacked before. You know, I watched someone whose page is like 6 point something million, and he was talking about how his channel was hacked. You know, the people even went live on his channel, started selling cryptocurrency or crypto coins and stuff like that. So this is for every creator. Please, if you want to work with brands, don't be scared. I saw a lot of comments in my comment section saying, oh, I'll not work with brands anymore. I cannot do it anymore. Please, don't. I'm talking too much, but yeah, it's okay. Do not stop working with brands if you're working with brands, because a brand can actually pay you $2,000, depending on your page though, 2,500 for a 10 minutes video. That's a lot of money to just grab to create a 10 minutes video. Okay? And yes, you have to be careful. I'll go step by step on how to deal with brands, you know, how to talk with brands without getting links, without getting all these stuffs, you know, and you'll be safe. Okay? I made sure I learned all those things. I made sure I actually attended an academy for this 1 week with the hack my account to get all these things in my head. And again, like I'll tell you, there is nobody above hacking. I saw some people doing video. Oh, she did this mistake. Oh, this was her mistake. Oh, this was her mistake. Trust me. I get sense. Oh, I get sense. I get sense. But you know, hackers get sense too. Not be all of them stupid. Do you get? It's not every hacker that is stupid, and they are smart enough. And for my case, it was not my email that was just hijacked. It was my whole phone system that was hijacked. So every email that was open on my phone was actually hijacked. Yes, it was hijacked to the extent where I had to call my bank, call different things to actually shut down everything. So you guys should actually understand this. When it comes to social media, there is nobody who is too smart not to fall prey. That's like you. Nobody who is too smart. One time you'll fall. If they told me, I'll know. Yeah. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys very much. I got my account back. As you can see, this video is on the account. But yeah, I'll still be putting tutorial on my Wokobuchi Academy because that is the academy. And for the love that you guys showed me on this account hacking, bro, I'll be organizing a free lesson. And that lesson, I'll only announce it on that my Wokobuchi Academy. I'll organize a free lesson that I'll be teaching at least 30 people how to work with AI. 30 people how to create faceless channels and start earning from it to the level of monetization. That's what I'll be doing. That's my thank you to the community for you guys for loving me, sharing my content, sending people to my new channel. I really appreciate. I love you guys so very much. And may God protect everybody out there. Every creator struggling to earn from somewhere, may God protect you all. And if your channel is hacked, please get to me so we can fight it out slowly. Okay? So, yeah. I'm not getting anything to say. I really want to say too much because, but yeah, thank you guys so much. And I love you. Bye.